Namaskar. You are welcome to my YouTube channel SS Math Classes. Today we will see about the parallel lines and transversals. In मराठी समांतर रेषा आणि छेदिका. आजच्या आपण या क्लासमध्ये समांतर रेषा आणि छेदिका याच्याबद्दल माहिती घेणार आहोत. Parallel lines. First, we see about the parallel lines. Parallel lines. The definition of the parallel lines. In same plane, lines do not intersect to each other, then these lines are called parallel lines. If lines are in same plane and which do not intersect to each other, then these lines are called a parallel line. Parallel lines. Here. Linear and line M. Line L and line M are two lines in the same plane which do not intersect to each other. So we can write in symbolic form, that is line L parallel line yeah. This is the symbol of parallel. That means line L and line M is a parallel lines. Understand? I think everybody understand. Again we repeat the definition of parallel lines. In same plane, lines do not intersect to each other, then these lines are called parallel lines. Here line L and line M are in same plane and they do not intersect each other, then these lines are called parallel lines. Line L parallel line M. I think everybody understand this parallel lines. तर मराठीमधून आपण जर असं बघितलं, जर एकाच प्रतलात असणाऱ्या परंतु परस्परांना न छेदणाऱ्या रेषांना आपण काय म्हणतो? समांतर रेषा म्हणतो. लक्षात आलं? ज्या लाईन्स एकाच प्रतलात आहेत परंतु त्या एकमेकाला छेदणार नाही अशा लाईन्सना आपण काय म्हणतो? अशा रेषांना आपण समांतर रेषा म्हणतो. कळालं असेल? आता ट्रान्सव्हर्सल कशाला म्हणायचं? लाईन ऑफ ट्रान्सव्हर्सल. line N is a transversal of line L and M. Here, this line N intersect line L and line M into distinct point. Here, point A and point B. That means line N intersect line L at point A and line M at point B. That is, the N is a line of transversal. Here, line L is transversal of line L and M. Line N is a transversal of line M and line N. बघा, तर रेषा N ही रेषा L आणि M यांची छेदिका आहे. तर रेषा N ही लाईन L ला, रेषा L ला A बिंदूत आणि रेषा M ला B बिंदूमध्ये छेदते. त्यावेळेस आपण लाईन N ला का म्हणतो? त्याची छेदिका म्हणतो. L आणि M या दोन रेषांची छेदिका काय आहे? तर लाईन N आहे. लाईन N इज अ ट्रान्सव्हर्सल. बहुतेक सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना समजलं असेल. बघा, पॅरलल लाईन्स म्हणजे काय बघितलं, त्याच्यानंतर आपण बघितलं की त्यांना छेदणारी जी छेदिका आहे पॅरलल लाईन्सला, ती पण आपण पाहिली. आता याच्यानंतर आपल्याला बघायचं आहे, आफ्टर दॅट वी गोज ऑन द अँगल्स फॉर्मिंग बाय टू पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड इट्स ट्रान्सव्हर्सल. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस दोन रेषांना एका छेदिकेने जर छेदले असतील तर तयार होणारे जे अँगल आहेत, तयार होणारे जे कोन आहेत, ते आपल्याला आज पाहिजे आहेत. ते खूप महत्वाचे आहेत. इट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट टू नेक्स्ट क्लास स्टडी, that is the pair of angles, which is very important. Here, pair of angles forming by two parallel lines and its transversal. Pair of angles forming by two parallel lines and its transversal. आपल्याला या कोनाच्या जोड्या पाहिजे आहेत. जेव्हा दोन समांतर रेषांना एक छेदिका छेदत असते तेव्हा किती प्रकारच्या कोनाच्या जोड्या इथं तयार होतात ते बघायचं आपल्याला. तर आपण थोडे नाव याच्यामध्ये बदलतोय. नेमिंग हिअर P Really, if two parallel lines are intersect by a transversal, then the forming pair of angles. Here, five pairs of angles are forming. First, first pair of angles is corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. संगत कोण यालाच आपण संगत कोण म्हणतो, करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल. सेकंड पेअर ऑफ अँगल इज अल्टरनेट अँगल. अल्टरनेट अँगल्स याला आपण म्हणतो व्युत्क्रम कोण. Number 3, interior angles. Interior angles यालाच अंतरकोन. Number 4 is external alternate angle. External alternate angles. बाह्य व्युत्क्रम कोण. बाह्य व्युत्क्रम कोण. आणि लास्ट वन इज vertical opposite angle. विरुद्ध कोण. See here, it is very important part to our next study, that is the pair of angles formed by two parallel lines and its transversal. If two lines are parallel and its transversal is here, then forming pair of angles is, that's first pair of angle is corresponding angles, second is alternate angles, third is interior angles, fourth is external alternate angles, and five is vertical opposite angle. That is the five pair of angles are forming here. We see the corresponding angles. First we see corresponding angles. How many angles, corresponding angles are forming here? The pair of angles is 4. Which this is the angles? It is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angle. pair of corresponding angles. First pair is angle PAC and angle PAC, that is, for understanding the shape of this angle is L type, capital L type, PAC, on the above the L lines, over the L lines. Its corresponding pair of its corresponding angle PAC is angle ABA, angle ABE. That is the first pair of corresponding angle. Second pair is angle CAB, angle CAB, that is the lower portion from the line L, CAB, angle CAB, and angle EBQ, EBQ. Third one is this angle is forming at the right side of this transversal, then other side of this transversal, forming two pairs, that is angle PAD and its corresponding angle is ABP. Fourth angle of pair, corresponding angle of pair is, that is DAB, angle DAB, and angle PBQ, angle PBQ. That is the fourth pair of corresponding angles. Here two angle of pairs of corresponding angles form this side and this side, four angles, that means two pair of angles, that is PAD and ABP, and last one is DAB, that is the lower portion of this side, DAB, and that is the lower portion of this line M, PBQ. That is the four corresponding angles. I think understand all of you. That is the pair of corresponding angles. If two parallel lines are intersect by a transversal, then the pair of corresponding angles as this line. How many pair of angles? Here four pair of angles of corresponding angles are formed. After that, pair of alternate angle, forming pair of alternate angles. Here two pair of alternate angles, that is in the Z shape, capital Z shape, alphabet Z shape of our English. That is, first is angle DAB, angle DAB, and its alternate pair of this angle is, that is angle DAB and angle CBE, sorry, ABE, angle ABE. That is the first pair of these alternate angles. This and this. That's angle DAB. Angle AB is the alternate angle. Another side. This is angle CAB, angle, second pair is angle CAB and CAB and angle ABP, ABP, angle ABP. That is the two pair of alternate angles are formed here. Understand, that is in Z shape, Z shape, Z shape angles. Same mark is given here, that is the this and this the alternate angle, this and this the alternate angle. After that, forming pair of angles is interior angle. Interior angles, pair of interior angle, pairs of interior angle. First pair is, first angle is CAB and its interior angle, its pair is ABA. This and this angle, angle CAB and angle ABA. This line of transversal, side of this transversal right side is a angle, forming angle, interior angle CAB and angle ABA. The left side of this transversal here forming angle, interior angle DAB, angle DAB and angle ABP, angle ABP is the pairs of interior angles. That is the two pairs of interior angles. After that, pairs of external alternate angles. Fourth pairs of angles, external alternate angle. So first angle is PAD, angle PAD and angle EBQ, angle EBQ. Second pair of external alternate angle is angle PAC, angle PAC, angle PBQ, angle and angle PBQ. That is the two pairs of external alternate angles formed by these two parallel lines and its transversal. Understand, that is the two pairs of alternate angles. After that, last one is the pairs of vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. First is angle PAD, and PAD, and angle CAB. Second is angle PAC and angle DAB. That is the vertical opposite angle. Third one is angle ABE, and angle PBQ. Fourth one, that is last pair of vertical angle, is angle ABP, and angle EBQ. That is the fourth pair of vertical opposite angles. Understand, that is the angle forming by the two parallel lines with transversal, its transversal. That is, first is corresponding angles, second is alternate angle, third is interior angles, fourth is external alternate angles, and fifth is pairs of vertical opposite angles. That is fifth number, vertical opposite angles. Some little problem is here. We get 2p here, so here little mistake here, read as AS. Here in previous this pairs I wrote the P, but you read this S. It is correction. Angle AB, yes, AB, EB, yes, है ना, EB, yes, हाँ. Read here ABS and EBA. That is the okay. Namaste.